Snickers. Where's that Mr. Snickers? Look, you see him? Look at that. Mr. Snickers. Mr. Snickers.
Snickers loves to be in the bed. A Snick?
Mr. Snickers, you having fun?
Oh, he loved the belly rub.
Yeah, fun, Mr. Snickers. What's that?
Get it, Snickers, get it, Snickers. Get it, get it, get it.
Come on, Mr. Snickers.
Get it, Snickers. Get him, get him, get him. That's a good boy, huh? Oh, he loved the loving. Good boy, Snickers. Huh? He liked that bed. Oh! Oh, he's excited. Get him, Snickers. Get him, Snickers. That's a good boy. Get him, get him. So we're playing inside today because it's all rainy outside and wet. Huh, Snick? But we're not complaining. They like playing in the bed. All right, Snick, come on by.